Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today's video we are doing a huge, insane Black Friday, Cyber Monday haul. So a little disclaimer first. I did ask you guys on my stories, Instagram stories, so if you don't follow me, it's My Sweet Folly. You should definitely give me a follow so you know everything about what's going on behind the scene. And I did a poll about if you wanted to see that huge beauty haul, and the majority said yes, so that's why I'm doing it today. I have to say I went insane. I know, I'm aware of that. I will try my best in 2019 not to be as crazy with my purchase, but those were well thought because all of the product I bought with a really good deal, up to 30 to 50% off. And there were brands also that I've never tried before that I really wanted to give a try, so it was the best way to do it with the Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So that's why I went crazy, and I think I'm set for the next 6 months. Anyways, we've got a lot to talk about, so today's video is going to be only the product I got from Beauty Bay. You're gonna understand why, because I've got this and I've got that. Yeah, this is only a haul from Beauty Bay, so that's why I'm gonna split that video in 2 parts, because otherwise it's gonna be way too much. And the second part I will be doing Charlotte Tilbury, Elf, MAC, Smashbox from the Benhams, but also Pat McGrath and Cult Beauty. So that's going to be in my second part. If you want to see that second part, please leave me a comment below letting me know that you do want to see the part 2, or give this video a thumbs up so I will know that you really want to see that. And without further ado, because we've got a lot to talk about, grab your coffee. I've got mine from Costa. So if you want to see that insane beauty haul, just keep on watching. Box here, it's about a brand. I got a few things from this brand that I've never tried before, and this brand is Dose of Color. The first thing I got here is the Baked Brown eyeshadow palette. I've been seeing this palette everywhere for the longest time. I never got a chance to get my hands on it, and with 30% off, I'm sorry, but you can't really escape that. 30% off, I was sold. I was a yes, you are mine. So it's a warm brown eyeshadow palette. What I love about it is you have all the shade you need to create a total eye look, from the lightest to the darkest. With this one, the light beige cream shade, you can easily set your eyelid with, but you can also use it as a matte highlight on your inner corner and brow bone. And then for the rest of the colors, it goes from the lightest brown to the darkest brown, and you can definitely do a proper eye look. It can be a casual one, everyday look. It can also be a smoky eye look with those darker shades, and they are all matte. I'm so excited about this palette. This is so beautiful. I did swatch them quickly to see how it looks like, and seriously, they are amazing. Here's a proper swatches from the lightest to the darkest, and as you can see, they are very pigmented. They are a bit powdery though, but I don't mind because they are so pigmented. I can work with the powdery side. Look at these browns, they are beautiful, and I cannot wait to create looks with this palette. Then still from Dose of Color, I got 3 single eyeshadows. They are from the Block Party collection. I've been also seeing them so much that I never really thought about getting them because I thought they were a bit pricey for a single eyeshadow. They were, I believe, like £16 or something like that, and for me it was like way too much for a single eyeshadow. But with 30% off, they were under £10, so I was like, yes, I will give them a try. And oh my goodness, again, I swatched them and I was in love with the pigmentation. It was amazing. The first one I got is Heart of Gold. It's this beautiful pigment. Look at this gold bronzy shadow. It's just beautiful, and when you swatch it, look at that, bam, this is your gold here, bronzy gold with shimmer in it, and this is all over the lid, will be beautiful. I'm just in love with the formula. It's creamy, it's buttery, it's pigmented, it's just everything you need in a shadow you've got in those Block Party shadows. The second one is Hot Mesh. It's a dark purpley shade with, again, shimmers in it, and it's so beautiful. Look at this pigment, guys. Can't you see that? Oh, I cannot wait to play with those shadows. The last but not the least, we've got Encore, and this one I think is my fave. It's a beautiful coppery bronzy shadow as well with some gold in it. Look at that. Where should I put it? Here? My swatches are not the best, I'm sorry, but look at this pigment, guys. It's rich and I love that. I think I picked really amazing shadows and I cannot wait to create looks with them because they are so insane. Then the next box are this one. Let me have a sip. This one is the most exciting box I got because it's the Daisy and Kate collection. Yay! So I've got the Francation palette. Finally they came back with the round 2 for the Black Friday and I got it for 30% off. I was like, yes. I was so sad I missed the first time around, and when they came back with a 30% off. I was like, yes, please, she's mine and she's beautiful. This kind of packaging is not my kind of thing, but this is a really beautiful one. Beautiful, stylish packaging, and the magie is here. Look at this perfection. For me, this palette is the most perfect palette I've ever seen. She's beautiful, she's stunning, she's amazing, and those shimmers here are insanely beautiful. The mattes here are the mattes you need to create any look you want. This palette is everything. This is, for me, the perfect eyeshadow palette. This one here looks very blue. It's a moment, but in some lighting, it looks purpley. It's crazy. It's this one here. See the swatch? Oh, yes. Yes, this looks very duochrome. Let's try Game Over. This one looks more like a darker blue. Perfect for New Year Eve, maybe. Let's try some matte. This dark brown matte, which is Chins. I mean, yes, please. This matte brown is everything. Let's try this pinky shade here, which is Girl Bye. Oh, yes. This one here. That is pigmented too. They are all pigmented though, so yes, I am so happy I got this palette. I cannot wait to create look with this. Maybe I might do a New Year Eve look with this one. What do you think? Let me know in the comment below if you want to see this palette in action for a New Year Eve look. I would be more than happy to do so. But we are not done with the Katy and Daisy collection because I got more from the collection. The rest is lipstick. The first one, I got the gloss Over the Top, which is a beautiful top gloss, and I think I'm gonna have a lot of use from it. It's gold and sparkly and beautiful, and I cannot wait to put it on my lips. Looks like so. Let's try a little bit on my lips, shall we? Oh, it smells so good. It smells vanilla. I didn't put a lot, but already can you see that sparkle? Oh, it's beautiful. It makes your lips fuller and juicier. I'm just loving it. Then the next lipstick I got is a proper lipstick, like so, with a creamy formula. Here's Aftermath, a beautiful pumpkin warm chocolatey shade with a matte finish but very creamy, and I'm loving the color. Then the last one but not the least, I've got a liquid lipstick, and this one is a Mauve Story, which is a proper mauvey shade. So here's the swatch right here. It's the perfect nudie pinky shade. I cannot wait to wear it as well because this is my kind of color. This is the perfect everyday lip. These three, they are beautiful, amazing, and they are all very different for different purposes. So yes, I'm excited and I'm loving the color. It's a win-win-win. So the next box here, we've got makeup tools. I don't know what's going on with me lately, but I'm very into new makeup brushes and I keep buying them from different brands. This time around, I got from Zoeva and Bdellium Tools. I tried for the first time not long ago Bdellium Tools and I fell in love with the brushes. I've got this one here, which is the Tapered Highlighting Brush. Looks like so. It looks very fluffy. It's so soft. And this one, I was thinking to use it for my blush actually, not for my highlight. So we'll see how it goes. So yes, then I got another one here. It's the small tapered blending. It has a pink color, and this one is for also blending my crease. I was thinking, you know, to have a different one for my crease. We'll see how it goes as well. Another Bdellium tools, and this one is the small shader. This one I wanted to have it for applying all over my lid if I have cream shadows or liquid shadows. So I'm super happy about those purchases. And the rest are from Zoeva, because you know my love for Zoeva. I have so many brushes from them, and I wanted to enlarge and you know, have a bigger collection from them. This one is this beautiful rose gold packaging brush, and it's the Luxe Crease 228 from the Screen Queen collection. And this one, yeah, it's also for my crease, but it's more like for if I want like an one-shot eyeshadow look, I will use this one for my crease and for my eyelid as well. So it's so beautiful, and yeah, I cannot wait to give it a try. The next one here, look at this packaging here, the Luxe Cheek Finish 126, and this one is for my cheek, but I don't know yet if I will be using for my blush or for my bronzer. I'm really excited about this one too. The last one, but not the least, it's from the collection Premiere, and this one is so beautiful, well made. Look at this packaging here. It's very like 20s, and this one is the Luxe Powder Fusion 134. And this one here is going to be for my highlight, because I have one from Sigma that I love, I use all the time over and over again, which is this one right here, the F03. Love that brush, will keep using them all the time, but I wanted something more softer and also more like fluffy to use, for example, more pigmented highlight, and just, you know, give a little sweep like so. And this one will be the best for it, so I cannot wait to try it out and to use my highlighter with it. This one, I've been wanting to give this a try for a very long time, so 30% off, why not? So these are all my new brushes I will give a try. They're all going to have a precise purpose, and yes, so excited about this. And look at those packaging, very colorful, very nice, and I love it. 2 more boxes and we are done. Well, let's see what we've got inside first. So the next thing I've got is from Mario Badescu, and it's the facial spray with aloe, cucumber and green tea. And you know my love for face mist, I'm obsessed with them. I have few of them that I use constantly in rotation, and I wanted to give a try to another brand, and Mario Badescu, I've never tried them before, and I keep hearing only good thing about those face mists. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. And I really wanted the aloe, cucumber and green tea because it's good for sensitive skin as mine. And yeah, and I'm loving also the color. I haven't tried it yet. Let's give it a go. Smells good. Smells really good, yes, and so refreshing as well. So yeah, this looks a really good one for prepping your skin before applying makeup. So yes, very happy about that. Then I've got random thing from different brand. The first brand that I've never tried before is Nabla, and I got a brush from them. It's this one right here. It has a pink packaging, as you can see, and this is a very fluffy brush as well. This one I was thinking to use it for my bronzer or maybe for powdering my face. We'll see which way I will be using this brush for, but definitely a good one to try. And I was sucked with the packaging because it's just so cute and pretty. I was like, I'm gonna give it a go. Then from Jouer I got 2 things. The first thing I got is this little lip topper right here. So this one is the Longwear lip topper with coconut oil, and it's in the shade Funfetti. It's reflective, it's pink, icy, milky, white. So it's also perfect for, you know, night out look or something like that. So yes, I will definitely give this a go, and I'm very excited as well. It smells, oh, it smells divine. It smells caramel. Oh, I love the color of it. I love that lip topper, and I cannot wait to put it on my lips for maybe also New Year Eve or any festivity parties I may go to. This one will be on my lips. The other thing I got from Jouer, it's this beautiful blush bouquet, which is a duo blush. I've been wanting this specific particular shade for the longest time. It was always sold out. I never got it. It's the shade the Adore Duo. This one is so popular. It's so beautiful, so pretty. You've got a mirror here. Look at this color here. Look at these 2 shades. They are perfect shades for every day. This one is more in the neutral side. This one is more in the peachy side. This one is Hold Me. This one is Adore Me. I love this kind of color. They are my everyday colors. What I love about this palette is I have actually 3 colors. I have 2 individual colors and I have a third one. If I mix them together, if I mix them together, it will make a third color, which I love. So here's the swatches. I don't know if you can see properly. You have Hold Me, you have Adore Me. So I'm super happy I got it because, as I said, those shades are just my everyday shades. So I'm so glad I finally got my hands on them. Then from Beauty Bakery, I wanted to try their very famous, popular, cult setting powder because you know I'm very into my 2 favorite at the moment, which is the Too Faced setting powder and the Hourglass Veil setting powder, but I wanted to try a third one which will be more affordable and also very effective as well, and this I got it. It's the Floor setting powder. Look at this packaging, guys. I love it that they make it as real floor packaging. It's so beautiful and cute. I got this one in the shade yellow. Oh, the packaging though, it's beautiful. I love that the lid is gold. It says Beauty Bakery Floor, better not bitter. I cannot wait to try it on very soon because I'm very excited about this powder. I heard many good things about it, only good things about it. Then I got the bronzer from The Balm. I do have few things from The Balm that I love, but I never tried this bronzer here, which is the Take Home the Bronze, and actually they've got different shades I believe, and I got the shade Oliver. First of all, I love the packaging. It looks like an Oscar in the middle. It's really cute. I love Balm packaging anyway because they always have the cutest packaging ever. And here's the shade Oliver, and as you can see, it's a cool undertone shade which I love. I can definitely see myself using it as a contour shade, and you know what, it reminds me so much of the Marc Jacobs Beauty Omega Coconut bronzer that I have and I love and rave about. I think this one may be a dupe, so I may do, let me know in the comment below if you want to see that, a dupe video comparing side to side the affordable products against the higher end products. Let me know in the comment below if you want to see that because I may have a full face, so let me know. But this one looks so cute. Love the color, love the shade, and I think it's too cute not to have it. And the last thing but not the least from this box is this little glitter here. I got this one from Makeup Revolution. It's this beautiful golden pigment, and I thought for, you know, any festivity makeup look I may do, this will be beautiful on the lash line or as a cut crease or something like that, you know. And this is stunning. This gold pigment is just insanely beautiful, and it's in the shade Bling Think, which is really bling bling, as you may see. This one will be on my cut crease or something like that. Whew, the last box before we are done. I went crazy with eyeshadow palette from the same brand. So for my defense, I really wanted to give a fair shot to this brand, and they were all 50%, not 30, 50%. From £30 I got them to £15. This brand is Juvia's Place. Yes, finally I'm gonna try this brand. Everybody in the mother talks about this brand. Pigmentation, the color, the shadows, started from Nikkie Tutorials down to everybody, so I had to give it a try. So I got different palettes. Let me tell you, I've got these 3 right here. First of all, packaging, beautiful, eye-catching, colorful, give you a good vibes, good energy. This one is the Masquerade palette. So here's the beauty. This selection of color is insanely beautiful as well. This palette here is very versatile. You've got these 2 first row, very colorful, very out of your box, and the 2 bottom here are very warm, very easygoing, very friendly to create any look. And if you do mix all together, it makes insane eye look, and I'm loving that from this palette. Let's try the first one here, which is Chai. It's more like a purpley bluish shade. Let's see the swatch. Oh my gosh, yes please. Let's try this, which is Calabar, and this one is more like a cranberry shade. Oh yes, this one is Casablanca, which is a beautiful gold. This is beautiful. This masquerade palette is pigmented, and I just swatched 3 colors from the palette. I cannot imagine the rest of the color, how they look like. Ta-da! The next one is the Magic palette. Here's the beauty, how she looks like. Oh yes, this is the Magic Mini. She looks beautiful. The bottom lines are more towards cooler tones, darker shades, and the top lines are more like warmish with some pop of color here and there. You have that beautiful also yellow sparkly shade. Let's swatch this one. Ooh, yeah. Oh la la, ooh la la, this is pigmented. Let's try this, which was Nubia, by the way. This shade was Nubia. Let's try this green shade here, which is Buzo. Oh, yo, yo. Oh my gosh, this is insane. This is insane. Let's try this matte orangey shade here to give a fair shot. Oh yeah, 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 yes, yes, yes. Can you see that pigmentation? Juvia's Place, they don't joke about pigmentation, about colors, about being out of the box. You can create so many different versatile looks. I'm loving that. And the last one, but not the least, is the Nubian 2 palette. She is also beautiful looking. Ooh la la, this one she doesn't joke too, because the pen are bigger, because these two were like the mini version of the original big palette, and this one looks like a bigger palette. The pen are huge. It's gonna last you for a lifetime. Ooh, this Morocco shade looks pretty on the crease and pigmented enough, yes. Then look at this Cleopatra shade, the blue one. Ooh, guys, Egypt, this green emerald shade. Look at this. Oh my god, this is insane. I'm getting insane by swatching them. Let's try this purple matte Jezebel. I'm sold. I'm sold, guys. Look at this one. It's Ya, and it's this bronzy shade. I need to try this one too. I mean, Nubian 2, yes please. The pigmentation is insane. The color selection is just beautiful. You have your transition shade, you have your pop of color, you have your shimmers, your matte, you have your warm, your cool tone, your darker shade. I mean, you've got a lot, and the pen are huge, so it's gonna last you for a very long time. So overall, I'm super excited and happy about these 3 eyeshadows that I picked up, because they are insanely beautiful, insanely pigmented, and so versatile. You can really let your creativity go on with those palettes, and this is what I love about it. Is like you can really have fun with your makeup, with your eye look, with the colors. So I'm so glad I got them. That's it, guys. We are done with this huge makeup haul. I'm so glad I did it, because I really wanted to share with you what I got, because I love watching this kind of videos as well. Sometimes we don't know or see products that is on the market, or we don't see the swatches or things like that, so it's always good just to, you know, let you know about what's going on the market. And this is what I wanted to do today. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you had a good time with me. If you did enjoy this video and found few gems you may want to try out, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and of course subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to see you again in my next video, and until then, stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.